Number 1, really. I am really impressed by your attitude. Really. Number 2, were. I was disappointed to see that the snowmen were melting. Were. Number 3, again. Can we go on the ride again? I asked. Again. Number 4, probably. It will probably be beautiful today. Probably. Probably. Number 5, want. I want to sit beside my friend, but I would be happy to sit anywhere. Want. Number 6, bean. Please, I would like a bean taco. Bean. Number 7, trees. Trees have bark, leaves, and roots. Trees. Number 8, feelings. Happiness, sadness, anger are all types of feelings. Number 9, sleepy. The rain makes me feel relaxed and sleepy. Sleepy. Number 10, beach. Let's go to the beach once the rain stops. Beach. Number 11, cheese. Put cheese on my taco as well, I requested. Cheese. Number 12, reach. Unfortunately, the Cool Whip was just out of reach. Reach. Number 13, geese. Geese migrate south during winter. Geese.